Hey there, LG G7 ThinQ users. Is your phone refusing to charge or feeling loose every time you connect it to the charger? Don't worry, you're not alone. This week, we're diving into the steps on how to fix LG G7 ThinQ charging port and get your device powered up again. Charging port issues are common in smartphones due to everyday wear and tear. Before you rush to a service center, let's explore some simple solutions you can try at home to remedy the situation. Whether it's debris, a damaged cable, or something more serious, we've got you covered. Step 1. Clean the charging port. One of the primary culprits for a faulty charging port is dust and debris buildup. Here's how you can clean it safely. Power off your device. Ensure your LG G7 ThinQ is completely turned off before proceeding. Use a soft brush or compressed air. Gently clean the port using a small soft brush or a can of compressed air. Avoid sharp objects as they might damage the pin inside the port. Inspect the port. Use a flashlight to ensure all lint or dirt is removed and the port looks clear. Remember, regular cleaning can prevent port issues and ensure a steady charge. Step 2. Check your charger and cables. Sometimes the issue might not be with your phone, but with the charger or cable you're using. Here's what to do. Test with another charger. Try charging your device with a different cable and adapter to see if the issue persists. Inspect your charger. Look for signs of damage such as frayed wires or bent connector. Replace if necessary. Use compatible chargers. Ensure the chargers you use are compatible with the LG G7 ThinQ to avoid any potential harm. Step 3. Software troubleshooting. If cleaning and checking your charger doesn't solve the problem, the issue might be software related. Restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can solve charging hiccups. Software updates. Ensure your LG G7 ThinQ has the latest software updates, as these can sometimes include fixes for charging issues. Safe mode check. Boot your phone into safe mode to identify if a third-party app is causing the issue. If it charges fine in safe mode, consider uninstalling recently added apps. Step 4. Seek professional help. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, it might be time to seek professional assistance. Visit an authorized service center. It's best to have experts diagnose and resolve hardware issues that require specialized equipment and expertise. Warranty check. If your device is still under warranty, check if the charging port repair is covered. While charging port problems can be frustrating, these steps on how to fix LG G7 ThinQ charging port should offer practical solutions. Regular maintenance and mindful use of chargers can prolong the lifespan of your smartphone's charging port. However, don't hesitate to seek professional help when necessary to avoid further damage to your device. Remember, maintaining your phone's health is crucial for its optimal performance. Keep it clean, updated, and powered up. With these steps, you'll be back to using your LG G7 ThinQ without any interruptions in no time. Happy charging.